What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of lower back pain. Just simple exercises to help your lower back when it's hurting. And so these are some of the best exercises that I know that have helped my lower back when I have pain. So let's dive right into it. So first of all, the first exercise is the classic cat-cow. These are really good. They do this a lot in yoga. So it's just like, oh. Alright, so you just basically stick your butt in the air like this, and then hold that for a couple seconds, and then tuck your butt in. So it's like an anterior pelvic tilt and then a posterior pelvic tilt. So just keep going back and forth. It's really going to help your lower back. Just keep doing that as many times as you want. And then another quick exercise to do, or stretch to do, is to do the cobra, just like this. This really feels good on the stretches your stomach a lot, the core muscles, and it also stretches out the back. So you can hold that as long as you feel comfortable. If that's too much, then go like this. Go on your forearms. Alright, so another exercise I like to do, another stretch I like to do is have your knees like this, put your hands on like this, and just go like this. This really helps just stretch the lower back. You can hold it on each side too. So those are some exercises. One last exercise, my favorite, is you just tuck your knees in and then kind of just go in like this. This really helps this one you hold, so just pull in, and this really stretches the lower back. And just breathe right here. So yeah, those are some lower back exercises to help you with lower back pain. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Click the link in the description for a free six-pack workout, and also like our gear will be down below, and also like the backflip ebook if you want to learn any of that. So click the links in the description. God bless. Have a great rest of your day.